Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Now in this video I will show you how to basically fix impending closure of Stripe account. Now recently I had an issue where Stripe basically wanted me to verify my identity, and there was a very big banner right here on the top of my screen here under home and payments, and up here on today. Basically that's saying that I need to verify my Stripe account, or otherwise my Stripe account will be closed. So basically what you will need to go is you will need to go through that through that verification. Now the best way to verify yourself is through passport. If you have a passport, this is the best way to verify your ownership of your Stripe account, right? Now if you don't have passport, then make sure to use your government ID. Those are two best documents. Now first document, always the best is passport, so make sure to use passport. Now and you will go through the verification process. You will need to obviously screenshot your passport and everything like that, right? Now once you go through those steps, if you cannot if you get declined for 4 or 5 times, your account will automatically close. So make sure that you're verifying that. And what I would recommend, if you don't pass for like 2 or 3 times, and if you're giving them the right IDs and the right passports, right, then what I would do is I would go to, before they close your account, right? So this is like 3 times you tried and there's nothing, you can't do anything, right? So they declined you 3 times. What I would do is I would go to Stripe Twitter. Now Stripe Twitter has awesome support. They help me tremendously well and fast, which is really rare these days. So you just go here and then you will be able to chat with their support. If you go here, you can basically see that I basically chatted with their support. Now what you can also do is actually you can go here, Stripe support, click on them, and then here you will be able to chat with their support. As you can see, here is basically the support and the tickets that we submitted to Stripe support. Now they will be able to basically fix the impending closure of your Stripe account, especially if you already gave them a passport. So this is really great way to get your Stripe account back, in order so that you can start receiving payments. Now that's pretty much it, guys. It's really simple, really straightforward. You just need to kind of be in the loop with it. And yeah, that's basically it. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.